What is going on, my Sasa Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing amazingly great. As for me, I took out Luna and we're about to go get this ride in, or at least I thought I was going to. Unfortunately, as you guys can tell, it was absolutely raining. It was not raining when I got home, so as soon as I slapped on the helmet, I said, okay, I have until 7 o'clock to go take a spin. But unfortunately, it looks like the weather has been absolute. This sucks. This f***ing sucks. Like, I really wanted to go riding. I have not ridden Luna in about, golly, I can't even remember. I think it's been like 2 weeks. And this is the shit that I've been going through. It kind of pisses me off, but I guess this is what it is to live in Florida. So it's an unfortunate thing, but what are we gonna do? I'm not gonna ride in this. And by 7 o'clock, it's gonna downpour for the rest of the night. So I just made it home. I said, oh, let me get a quick ride in. It was beautiful out. It was raining on the way here, but it was not bad. And then once I got to my area, I said, okay, it's good for now. So let's go ahead and take this ride. Slapped on my helmet, put on my vest, said, okay, let's go riding for now. And unfortunately, plans have changed. So now I'm sitting here looking at Luna. As soon as I pulled her out, I saw the one drip come down. I was like, no. Yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. Looks like no ride. Like every day, this is the least rain we've gotten so far for the past month, because every single day has been nothing but rain, 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 every single day. And there you go. We're back to lightning and thunder and raining. It was the same ordeal last night. Last night was Thursday night for bike night. And now I'm just sitting here with a helmet and a GoPro going, doing absolutely nothing. I don't know how many of you guys encounter this kind of situation where you just want to ride. You have that urge to ride. And that's what I have right now. I have such an urge to ride, but unfortunately the case is I won't be able to ride because it's raining. Drop down in the comments below how many of you guys experience feeling down, like you just want to ride, just even if it's for just a little bit, and you end up not being able to ride because the weather freaking sucks. What are you gonna do? I mean, can't go against Mother Nature, right? So yep, here's Luna. I guess I haven't turned her on, so I guess I could just give her a cold start and let it idle for a little bit, because she hasn't been turned on in a minute. If I can take that off so you guys can look at the display, that beautiful display. Oh, that TST is just so gorgeous. Ooh, that's not good. That's how long she's not been started. That sounds so good. I want to go riding so bad. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of this bike? The look with the gray and the black accents and all that fun stuff. Like, I think she's turned out pretty good. Look at that. Light rain starting 10 minutes. Light rain already started. What are you talking about? Look at those lights. Oh, that looks amazing. I really wanted to go riding, but I can't. Make sure you guys follow Clutch First NY. Amazing content. Every Sunday he does a podcast, or aka live stream, however you want to call it. Mike is the one that conducts all of that stuff, and he does such an impeccable job. I got a chance to sit with him. I'll throw the link down in the description so you guys can check him out. I'll throw his channel right here so guys can check it out. Go follow him. Every Sunday night at 8 o'clock he does a podcast, and he interviews other riders and gets their perspective on other riders, other vloggers, you know, people who are into the YouTube motovlogging world. He's got quite a few people on there. He's got Falu in there, somebody that I've been following for a while. Amazing guy out of Italy. Make sure you guys follow him there. Amazing dude. I've been following Falu for a while. I call him the Italian Stallion because he's out there riding his Ducati V2. Gorgeous bike, just beautiful. I'll throw his page here so you guys can check it out as well. I'll throw both of their Instagram pages so you can follow them as well. Let's give this baby a nice rumble. Let's go. Ooh. Talk to him. What did you say? What? Say it one more time. Ooh, yes, baby. Give it to them. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, pop. Ooh, did you see that? My neighbors hate me. Absolutely hate me. That's my baby though. Oh, she is gorgeous. I love my baby Luna. She sounds so amazing. Full race sprint air filter. I also gave her a Brent tuning stage 1. I didn't want to go nuts. She's already crazy enough, and I'm not a hardcore rider like that to be doing extreme pulls and stuff like that, so I think stage 1 is perfect for me. I actually have this is the full evolution line, which is the Krapovic titanium headers. Obviously you can see the bluing, which is freaking amazing. I think it looks great. Look at that. So the full titanium headers with the full exhaust. It comes with this nice carbon fiber hook clip. I can't remember the name of it. I'll throw it up here somewhere where I can explain it, because I'm not the brightest at explaining things. So, but yeah, so the full titanium line with Krapovic. Remember this heat shield, that's also carbon fiber. That did not come with the bike. But yeah, and then you have, this is all plastics from Monster Fairings. This piece with the anything gray, everything that's plastic in here has been changed out. I have the original black plastics sitting in storage in a box. I was thinking about doing the Rizomo mirrors, but I'm not sold on it. I really am not. Some people tell me that you can't see shit out of them. They look great, but you can't really see much out of them. These mirrors are crap too, because they shake like crazy, and no matter how much you tighten it down, it still shakes like crazy. So I don't know. I don't know. So we'll see. I'll figure something out, I guess, eventually. What else have I done to this bike? Puig, whatever the heck you call this freaking windshield, this brand right here, because I don't know how to pronounce it. There are several different ways to saying it, apparently, but yeah, the windshield. Love it because it's very tall. If you look at it from this angle, you can see how tall it is. Of course, much love to my quad block. I actually added the dampener because this bike already ruined one phone. It broke the sensor. So if you guys have this bike, or any bike for that matter, I highly recommend that you get the dampener, because these bikes, they shake so much that it'll ruin the sensor on your camera. I think that's basically it. There's not much that I've done. Oh, TSC Industries, yes, of course. You know, these lights, the rear lights, they came with that bracket that goes on underneath. You can also get the bracket that comes here, but this to me is a much cleaner look. I prefer this one. What else have I done? I bought this off of Amazon, the spools, frame sliders, Woodcraft. I got that from, I can't remember what site. There's more stuff I'm going to do to it. Definitely want to change out the rear sets. I don't know what I'm going to get yet, but I definitely want to do that. So that's going to be in the works at some point. And I guess that's basically it. You know, I guess this is the ending of a evening. There goes my riding. I got to rev the bike. It is what it is, I guess. You know, things happen for a reason. I'm a firm believer in things that happen for a reason. So if this means I need to keep my butt inside, I need to keep my butt inside. So another YouTuber that I follow that I absolutely enjoy watching his content is Covert Mecha. Make sure you guys follow him. He's currently at 379 subscribers. I feel like he deserves more. I'm gonna throw his link in here as well. I mean, he does just amazing content. Unfortunately, he did crash his bike at one point and did a build, like a little build series, put the bike back together where it's rideable, and it looks great now. So amazing shout out to Covert Mecha. Make sure you follow him in his channel. I'll throw his link down in the description. So follow him on Instagram, follow him on YouTube. He's an amazing guy. Him and I go back and forth all the time. and I feel like he deserves more subscribers. So go ahead and hit him up, subscribe to his channel, make sure you like, comment, and all that fun stuff. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.